Tonight my husband is making Chili Mac Casserole. This is all the Chili Mac we have left from dinner. And to stretch the meal, he's going to add some other ingredients to it. Come on, honey, tell him how you're making it.
Chili Mac cheese, Chili Mac cheese.
What the hell kind of information is that?
Well, with some diced tomatoes.
Okay. Oh, what about the onions?
I didn't cut any up yet.
Okay.
This is all gotta go in the oven for a little while so the Chili Mac can warm up.
Well, hell, you should have put it in the oven before you put the cheese on it.
Tried to tell you that this morning, but you wouldn't believe me.
That didn't stop you from doing it now. It's too late now. You're spreading cheese all over it.
Figuring that we're gonna make a video of our entire lives. We just made it instead of recording it.
Boy, I'm telling you. What I have to go through, guys, just to get a meal. Okay, guys, so this is going to go into the oven so that the cheese will melt and the Chili Mac warm up. I hope the cheese doesn't brown.
Well, I hope it does.
Well, no, not before you put the final ingredients, right? Man, you should have added more cheese in there for the middle.
I just thought of this idea last night. Now you're reading.
What?
Trying to make it different.
I am not.
We should have added more cheese.
Well,
where's the onions? Where's this? Where's that?
Well, yeah.
Like, give me a break. I come up with this idea last night, and now you're already trying to tell me how to do it.
Oh, go ahead, honey. You're the chef in the family. So he thinks. Ooh. Oh, man. Don't leave any gold in there. Get all of it, honey.
I'm trying.
You know how we do around here. We don't leave any gold. Oh, yeah. You know, the good thing about a meal like this, you can never have too many ideas to go with it. When it gets low and you're trying to feed a family of 4, possibly more. I don't know, guys. Oh, that looks so good, honey. It smells good, too. I can't wait to eat it. Okay. Ah. A layer of tomatoes. I'll never get over that left-handed cooking.
Nope, you won't. You eat it all the time. Right-handed or left-handed.
Yep. Boy, look at the sound. Listen to the sound of that deliciousness. You guys hear it? Every time he mashed that spoon in there, you can hear all that goodness. And as you can see, guys, we always, well, for the most part, depending on what we're cooking, we drain our diced tomatoes. I was just getting ready to say, don't add some more to this one too. Oh, that smells so good.
Smells like tomatoes.
No, I'm talking about the whole dish, babe.
We ain't done yet.
Oh, I can't wait for the rest of it. I see you favoring one pan over the other.
I'm trying to make it equal.
No, it looks like the one on the right is your love child.
Yeah, if it was, you'd be seeing some diced jalapeno in there.
Okay, so. Wait.
The love ain't done yet.
Okay. Garlic powder from our favorite store, Gordon's. Oh, I love garlic. So, I mean, guys, mention in the comment section below who all loves garlic. I even love the smell of garlic. And how many of you guys cook with garlic? You know, it's healthy too. Ooh, onion powder. Oh yeah, that'll seep all the way in there.
I had to sneeze.
Oh, you don't be talking no shit over there. Another layer of cheese, guys. Oh, I love cheese.
You don't say.
Yeah. I shouldn't mention this, but a lot of cheese for diabetics, if you're diabetic, is not good.
That's why she keeps on feeding it to me.
So anyway,
trying to off me for the insurance money.
Oh my gosh. So anyway, you have to be really careful about how much cheese you eat. Looking at how he's putting his cheese on here and how I talked about he should have added more cheese. I am not trying to be contradictory to myself and what I'm saying. There is ways to balance this type of meal out where the cheese will not affect you, and the only thing you have to do is to add regular salad on the side, guys. Don't eat too much of this at one time, and add some salad on the side, or baked sweeter potato, and that will definitely help to balance out whatever negative effects that eating cheese will have, along with taking your medication. Of course, you have to keep taking your medication. But yeah, this is what my husband is making.
If I give my wife to make some biscuits.
And I guess we'll have some biscuits too, guys. You heard him.
You don't have to.
Well, you know how to make biscuits. Why can't you make it? This is your deal.
I'm making dinner. You can't make biscuits?
You can make biscuits. Otherwise,
we'll... better, because most of the time I gotta watch them anyhow.
Well, because I'm busy.
Bubble game.
I told you.
I heard
I'm not just bubbling around. I'm thinking.
Yeah, thinking of other ways to avoid cooking.
Oh boy. There you go.
What do you think? Does it look good enough?
It looks good enough.
Sure?
You could probably add a little bit of cheese in this.
I was looking at that too.
Yeah. And get that off the handle part. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, a little bit over on this. Yeah. And then right over here too.
Looks like a cheesecake.
I know. Oh my gosh. Now.
Yeah, when that all melts down and gets brown, we going to town.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, we'll be back. Okay guys, here is the final result of the Chili Mac Casserole. My husband, he added some diced onions on the top to give it a little extra kick. And for the piece de resistance, he made biscuits. Now tell me, guys, this isn't enough to fill a hungry belly.
4 hungry bellies.
4 hungry bellies, honey. Yeah, you got that right. Happy eating. P.S. guys, now he have something to eat with all that beer he's gonna drink.